Hi friends, today we'll discuss about NII, NIM, net interest income. So what is net interest income? Difference between interest generated by assets and the cost of liabilities. For a bank, income will be whatever the interest earned on the assets. Assets means loans, and expenses will be the cost of liabilities, like you have savings account, current account, fixed deposit, recurring deposit. Whatever the interest paid on liabilities is your expenses. So the difference between interest earned and interest paid is your net interest income. So what is the formula for net interest income? So interest received from assets minus interest paid on deposits. The assets typically include commercial and personal loans, mortgage loans, construction loan, and investment securities. Liabilities will be consist of customer deposits. It can be savings, current, FD, RD, daily deposit. These are the customer deposits. So I have taken one example for the calculation of net interest income. These are not exact figures. For your understanding, I have taken 1 crore is amount and 1 year is deposit period. So left hand side you can see I earned income from the assets. So I given a personal loan for 20 lakhs, housing loan 15 lakhs, 8%, mortgage loans 5 lakhs, 9%, vehicle loans I have given 30 lakhs, 13%, microfinance loans 22%, 30 lakhs I have given. And for a year, I got interest like 2 lakh 78, 1 lakh 20, 45,000, 39,000, 3 lakh 90,000, 6 lakh 60,000. Total how much I got it? 14 lakhs 93,000. So when I want to give a loan, I need a deposit. So for the 1 crore deposits, I taken from the customer. So from the customer savings account, I taken 25 lakhs, current account 50 lakhs, fixed deposit 10 lakhs, recurring deposits 5 lakhs, and daily deposit 10 lakhs. So in different deposits, I paid different interest rates. Savings I paid 4% per annum, current 0, fixed deposit 8%, recurring deposit 7%, daily deposits 7.75. So interest paid 1 lakh 80,000, 35,000, 77,500. So total interest paid is 2 lakh 92,500. What is the income earned from the assets is 14 lakh 93,000. So 14 lakh 93,000 minus 2 lakh 92,500 is 12 lakh 500 rupees. This is bank's net interest income. So these are the sample figures for the calculation I have given. In real scenario, it will be like savings account will be for the 6 months, then you will be having everyday balances will be different, current account also different will be there, in fixed deposit also sometimes will be closing and reopening. These should be considered. Same thing like loans also, some loans are pre-closed. All these things will consider, and total interest earned from the loans and minus total interest paid on liabilities, that is deposits, that is net interest income. So what is net interest margin? The spread is the difference between the average rate earned on assets minus average rate paid on liabilities. So there we have calculated the amount, but it is a margin. So what is my average rate received on assets? So I have different loans. So every loan I have different interest rate. So I'll average it. The same way for the deposits also, different deposits have paid different interest rates. That also will make it average. So net interest margin is average earning from assets minus average expense on deposits. So I taken the same example, 1 crore 1 year. So same thing like whatever interest I have received 14 lakh 93,000, and for the deposits I paid 2 lakh 92. So if you calculate the average earnings from the assets, 1 crore my investment. So what is the amount I received? 14 lakhs per year. So my income is 14 point, my return will be 14.93 on my loans. And what is the interest paid on the deposits? Average rate. So total interest I paid 2,92,000. I invested 1 crore. So 2.93. If you minus 2.93 from 14.93, it is 12.01%. So my net interest margin, the average interest rate received from the loans minus average interest rate paid on the deposit, that is my net interest margin. So in this case it is 12.01%. What is the formula for net interest margin? Formula is interest received minus interest paid by average invested assets. So average will be like every day we have to arrive the balances, and the end of the month or year you divided by the number of days in a month or number of days in a year, you will get average. So formula will be, net interest margin formula will be interest received minus interest paid by average invested assets. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends also.